Here I've got Philips Xenium V787 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's find and select the settings. Here they are. Now scroll down, find and pick language and input, and now go to the first tab, which is language. And from the following list you have to select the language that you would like to have your device in. So it can be Turkish if you want to, as you can see. Now everything is changed, so all your device is in Turkish and it's a default language now. Then if you would like to change it one more time, simply find and select languages input one more time. It's the sign of the word, and then go to the first tab, select the language that you would like to have. I will go back to English, and that's it. As you can see, now we are back in English. So that's basically all. That's how you can quickly and easily change language in your Xenium. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.